What's up, y'all? We got a new video here with rapper DaBaby doing a little tour of his private jet that he be having, fly all around the country, going wherever he needs to go. I'll let you guys check it out.
Fat crib.
There's another safety exit right here. Just like in an airliner, you just pull this tab off, pop it, get the window out the way. Put your feet outside first, because that's what's going to hit the wing first. Whatever goes out the door first. There's 2 fire bottles. If we're on fire,
We ain't catching on fire, my boy.
we're not going to get on fire. No fire.
Ain't that right, Kim?
But if something
Yes, man. Right here tastes like Kool-Aid. The grape kind. It's a lifestyle.
Yeah, as y'all can see in the video right there, rapper DaBaby, he was showing off the private jet that he be having, taking all around the country to wherever he needs to go for his shows and stuff like that. You guys can go ahead and leave a comment down below what you think. We'll see y'all in the next video.